Website, you can make money from anywhere and anytime in the world. So as you can see, this website says that you can make money, you can become financially independent if you sign up on this website. What you do are tax, and those tax are tax that can pay you as high as $1.60 or $2, depending. As you can see here, take a look at this. This particular tax is paying 18 euros, 18.20 euros. This one is paying 2.5 euros. This one is paying 2.5 euros. So you can make money on this website. You can decide to earn in euros, or you can decide to earn in dollars on this website. So the name of this website is to the screen of my phone. Beautiful people, how are you doing? So in this video today, I want to show you a website that will pay you in dollars or in euros to do tax, and you can receive your payment through transferwise or PayPal. Although in Nigeria doesn't accept PayPal, but we have we have a way around it. So if you are interested in creating a working PayPal account in Nigeria, that you will be able to receive your money in dollars, in Aboki's exchange rate, you can chat me up from Telegram or the number in one of the videos I uploaded recently. The amount is 15,000 naira. If you're opening any PayPal account with us, we've been running this promo for some time now, and we've opened over 50 accounts for people. So it is legit. So the name of this website is called Clickworker. You can just come here and hit sign up. So please guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please, what are you waiting for? If you're a new subscriber, thank you. If you're a returning subscriber, we really do appreciate you, and do well to hit the like button. The platform is, you click on the sign up or the register button. The first thing you are being asked here is your gender. You select your gender, female. The second one, you select your title, Mrs. The third one, you input your first name, you input your last name, you input your username, you input your email address, then you come down here and input your password. You come down here and input your password, you confirm the password, and then you hit the continue button. So we're done with the first step. This is the next step. The next step says your birthday, your country, your native language. It says you have to choose two native languages. So I guess let's look for a native language that we can do with, or we can speak in Nigeria. Okay. So I'll just pick this African Yoruba. Okay, I'll pick Yoruba. The second one I'm supposed to pick, um I currently am not saying any Nigerian language, any other Nigerian languages here. But okay, I've seen Hausa, so I'll pick Hausa. So I've picked Yoruba and Hausa. The next one here is your street, then your zip code. You can use Google to browse your zip code. Then I think my own zip code is 331. The next one is your city. I'll just pick Lagos. Next one here is your phone number. I will input my phone number. I'll click on I am of legal age. I'll click on this agreement, and I will hit on the continue button. Yeah, can you guys see? I'll hit on the continue button. Now if you want to edit the first step, you can hit on the previous button. So now once you hit the continue button, this is the next step. I don't know what this this barcode means, but I'll just include. It says I understand that I need the Clickworker app installed on my mobile to access my Clickworker account. Okay, so they are saying we have to install their Click mobile. I'll just click on this I understand, and I'll click on finish and send. Now I have to wait for them. I have to see what comes up next. It says thank you for your registration. Please check your email to activate your account. So very good. Then what I'll just do here is minimize. I'll minimize. Then I'll go straight to my email. I don't know if you guys can see my phone. Yes, I will refresh my email. I'll refresh my email to for their email. It's, as you can see, it is the first email here, Clickworker. So I'll click on it. It says my user ID. They've given me a user ID. Um okay. Let me just click on this login and see. So I'll click on the link that was sent to me. It says I have to start configuration. So I have to start the configuration or skip the intro. Anyone, this configuration is if you have a PayPal account, that's to input your full details. If you have a PayPal account, you input it, you fill in your Clickwork profile, and as well, you can skip the intro. So I'll just click on skip the intro for the purpose of this video so that we'll be able to check. Wow. As you can see, there are a lot of jobs here. As you can see, there are a lot and lot of jobs here that you can do. Available jobs. This one is $1. This one is $1.50. This one is $1.50. Wow, this one is $1.50. These jobs are quite easy. Upload 3 short videos to help train an authentication application. This one is up trained. So as you can see, there are a whole lot of jobs. There are lots of jobs like video creation, app testing, survey. This one is even survey. So guys, all you need to do here is to come onto this website, sign up, and then you start making your money. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Like this video as well. You can as well share this video for us so that more people that are looking for how to make money online, worldwide, in Nigeria, anywhere you are in the world, can watch this video and start making money. There are a lot of ways you can make money. There are a lot of jobs that you can use to make money. It doesn't matter your location. You can make money worldwide. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.